AI can generate anyone, a nurse, a CEO, a beautiful person, a smart person, a poor person, or a successful person. But if AI can generate anyone, why does it keep showing us the same kind of people? This video asks, whose face become the default face of AI? AI image generator seems limited, creative, instant, unbiased, global, and can make anything. But all being neutral, we are not arguing that AI is evil or that technology alone creates bias, technological determinism. Instead, AI images are shaped by training dataset, platform design, cultural norms, and social structure. AI looks to our visual culture, which already carries inequalities. Our focus is everyday AI image use among students and users. To explore this, we run a small visual experiment with ChatGPT image generation on May 15. We used its simple prompts without specifying gender, race, age, body type, or class. For each, we generated 4 images and noted patterns. This is not large scale, so we do not claim our results prove how all AI systems work. But because our prompts were open, they help us ask, what does AI treat as visually normal, expected, or default? Let's enter the prompt and see what kind of results it generates. For a beautiful person, all 4 images showed a young woman with light skin, slim features, and polished appearance. Beauty became young, feminine, light-skinned, and slim. For a nurse, AI produced a woman in blue scrubs, raising questions about how care work becomes gendered and sometimes racialized. For a smart person, most images showed light-skinned people in glasses, professional clothing, and academic spaces. Intelligence appeared through books, calm authority, and middle-class markers. The contrast sharpened with a poor person and a successful person. Poor person images appear racialized with older faces, worn clothing, and neglected spaces. Successful people appeared confident, well-dressed, light-skinned, and in polished office. The clearest patterns came from CEO. All 4 showed middle-aged, white or Western-looking men in suits, and corporate spaces. Across the prompts, AI did not simply generate people. It generated social categories through stereotypes. But do these patterns only exist in AI, or also in our imaginations?
When I think of a successful person, I think of someone who's well organized and financially stable.
When I hear poor person, I imagine that someone in old clothes, in a dark or negative place, looking tired or struggling.
Their answers don't prove everyone thinks the same way, but they show AI stereotypes are not isolated. They connect the visual habits we absorb from media and society. Media scholars Darkin and Culture call this the politics of looking. Images teach us how to look. They shape association with power, beauty, intelligence, or poverty. For example, if CEOs repeatedly appear as white or Western-looking man, leadership starts to look like male, white, and corporate. If beauty repeatedly appears as young, slim, light-skinned, and feminine, other bodies become less visible as beautiful. AI is not just outputting images. It participates in shaping what leadership, beauty, intelligence, and poverty looks like. Kimberly Crenshaw's concept of intersectionality helps here. Bias does not happen through one category like gender or race. Inequalities overlap and reinforce each other. In our results, the CEO was male, white-looking, middle-aged, formally dressed, and in a corporate spaces. The beautiful person was female, young, light-skinned, slim, and highly polished. The poor person was coded through age, clothing, space, and sometimes racialized features. AI visual bias is intersectional. It does not distribute beauty, intelligence, success, or poverty equally across bodies. Judith Butler's idea of performativity explains why repetition matters. When the same visual formula appears again and again, it starts to feel natural, like common sense, not social construction. We may stop seeing stereotypes as stereotypes. But AI alone does not create these biases. That would be technological determinism. They are shaped by training data, platform design, user feedback, and visual culture. Bias is not only inside the algorithm, it is also inside the social system that produces it and uses it. This matters beyond our experiment. As these images circulate in advertising, education, and social media, they can shape how people imagine authority, beauty, intelligence, and themselves. Over time, these defaults may influence not only what images we consume, but who feels imaginable as a leader, expert, or a beautiful person. The solution is not to stop using AI images, but to stop treating them as neutral. Using AI critically means checking defaults, questioning stereotypes, and asking who is missing, and why some absences feel normal. AI-generated people may not be real, but the stereotypes they repeat are all socially real. If AI can generate anyone, why do some people appear more naturally than others?